Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn bad footage into a great cinematic look using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that you have already installed CapCut application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to create new project. I'm going to choose new project here, and actually I have already created a project, so I'm just going to open up my project. Okay, and we're going to turn this footage into a great cinematic footage. And to level up your look guys, I recommend you to do adjustment for your video. You can go to the adjustment menu and you can play around with the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, brilliance, sharpen, clarity, and so on. You can also use the grab to adjust your video color. And here I'm going to make the sky looks more cinematic. So I'm going to adjust the brightness. I'm going to reduce the brightness like this. And I'm going to select contrast. And I'm going to increase the contrast just a little bit. And then at the saturation, I'm going to increase it as well, but just a little bit. And brilliance. And for the brilliance, I'm going to make it minus. And for the sharpen, I'm going to increase it. Okay. And I'm going to go to the clarity and then increase it. And HSL. I'm going to adjust the orange color. I'm going to make it more orange like this. Okay, done. And then I'm going to adjust the temperature. I'm going to increase it. And the hue, increase it. And yeah, I think it looks better than before. Okay. And wait, I'm going to adjust the black one. Okay. Let me reduce it. All right. Perfect. And this is the result. And you can keep adjusting guys until you're satisfied with how it looks. And wait, I'm going to show you before and after. I'm going to show you before the adjustment. Okay, it looks so pale, right? And this is after the adjustment. So the key is in the adjustment. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn bad footage into a great cinematic footage with CapCut. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.